Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Jonsbo TK-0 ITX case. So friends, Jonsbo recently introduced the TK-0 ITX case, a new model featuring compartment type design for small form factor PCs, and this is available in two color variants, black and white, and designed to accommodate both vertical and horizontal orientation. This model incorporates double R-angle band glass with 270-degree side transparency and complemented by a solid wood veneer finish. The case measures 235 by 250 by 280 mm and resulting in a total volume of approximately 16.45 liters. The TK0 support SFX power supply up to 160 mm and graphics card up to 230 mm in length, and it is compatible with CPU radiators up to 135 mm in height. For storage, the case includes one 3.5-inch hard drive bay and one 2.5-inch drive slot, and the cooling system is TK01 features a multi-sided mesh design that facilitates air circulation, and it can accommodate one 120 or 140 mm fan on both the top and bottom as well as two 90 mm fans at the rear, and it does not support water cooling solutions. And friend, connectivity options include 10 Gbps Type-C port, one USB 3.0 Type-A port, 3.5 mm 2-in-1 audio jack, and the setup ensures that the case can handle contemporary connectivity demands while maintaining a sleek and minimalistic design profile. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.